Remember that the desire for a more positive experience is in itself a negative experience, and paradoxically, the acceptance of one's negative experiences is in itself a positive experience. This is a total mindfuck. Do you want to start that YouTube channel you've always dreamed of? Or get that beach body that you get so dreadful dreams about? If you are too busy today, no worries, you can always start tomorrow. There's no rush. New Year's resolutions. What a mystery. Not really actually, because it never come to pass. And that's not because it's a bad practice. It's because we never master the courage to actually do them. I don't blame you for this like at all. I blame the whiskey because he was talking. All seriousness aside, let's get into the video. We all know what the best time to start is, but can't seem to get a hang of it. It is absolutely fascinating to hear people say that they will start working out once they get into college, or they will start reading once they graduate high school. I just can't help to crack a smile whenever I hear that. You know, if the circumstance is not right now for you to start, what makes you think that it will be right, it will be ideal, it will be just moonshine and roses when you get into college or when you graduate high school? Exactly. The best time to start is now. Doesn't the now determine the later? And if you are not living now, if you are not living today, how will your tomorrow look? Live one day at a time and don't be too worried about what you will be doing on the 1663rd day of your 5-year plan. Yes, nailed it. You have absolutely no control over what you are planning on doing next year, or once you get into college, or once you graduate high school. But what you have control over is what you do today. What you do today can improve your tomorrow, but there's absolutely nothing you can do tomorrow that will improve today. I think the reason we want to keep on living in the future, or in the past for that matter, is because we want to numb ourselves from what is. Remember that the desire for a more positive experience is in itself a negative experience, and paradoxically, the acceptance of one's negative experiences is in itself a positive experience. This is a total mindfuck. Stop wishing for a better tomorrow, because that simply serves as a reminder for what you lack. Rather, accept the now and embrace it for what it is. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed, you can click the red button below and make it change color, and also the like button also change color once you click it. I'm just saying, I've observed, and that's my observation. Thank you guys so much once again, and I'll be heading out now.